Here is my video layer and here is my audio layer. Let's play it. You can see only the audio is playing, not the video. And if I show you that my low quality preview is enabled. So I have two solutions for this to fix. First one is to duplicate your project and open it. Let's delete the audio layer and export only the video layer at higher quality. Now go to your main project. Select your video layer and go to color and fill and click on this replace video clip and replace your audio layer with exported one which we exported earlier. Let's talk about second method. Download this application from Play Store, open it, click on convert or compress option and choose your video. Click on next. Now here make sure resolution is set to original and frame rate is also set to original. Click convert. Next. After few minutes your video is ready and won't lag on Alight Motion. Thanks for watching.